Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and this afternoon we're going to take a quick look at our 2019 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. First, we'll start with the way the boat's powered. We've got this boat optioned out with the V8 Mercury 300 horsepower Verado. As you make your way towards the transom of the boat, you have a nice wide transom seat, great back support, and this tucks away nicely into the transom to open up your cockpit space. This boat is equipped with a nice big hardtop, powder coated stanchions, rod holders built into those stanchions. Underneath your portside lounger, you do have a live well. And then you also have a multi-position backrest here, which will give you a forward-facing lounger. Or when that's dropped down, it'll give you a nice full-length portside lounger facing aft. Very easy seat to maneuver, multi-position. Opposite of that, you've got a freshwater sink with Corian countertop, designated storage for your Yeti cooler underneath. From there, we're going to make our way forward. This boat is equipped with a nice stainless steel windshield cap. Port side, you've got a nice size head compartment. There is a freshwater sink in there, and that is the pump out head. As we make our way across, in the floor you have a ski locker. This is a lockable compartment, and it also gives you some rod storage in there. At the helm, we have a single captain's chair. The Mercury Verado is digital throttle and shift. This boat is equipped with the Mercury active trim. You have trim tabs, your Fusion stereo, and your Mercury vessel view all set to give you a nice big real estate up on the dash for any electronics you might want to mount. As we make our way up to the bow of the boat, you have two full-length loungers. Underneath this lounger, you have great storage. That goes all the way up under the helm. And at the bow of the boat, this boat is equipped with the windlass anchor, and you also have a freshwater sprayer up here in the bow. That's a real quick look at the 2019 Boston Whaler 230 Vantage. If you'd like to see this boat in person, ask for me, Dean Ashton. Be happy to help you with this boat or any of the other whalers we have in stock.